Happy spring to everyone from LimeWorks. It's a great time of year, newness of life. Trees are budding, flowers are blooming. We're all excited. As masons, you know, we're coming out of a long winter. But the one thing that's great about spring is that you can count on it. It just starts happening, and it's just a wonderful thing to experience. If you've been in the trade, 40, 50, 60 years, some guys can remember when materials were so consistent that it made masonry fun. As time goes on, we found that even cement manufacturers were changing up their mix to still meet what is the requirements of the ASTM to be a Portland cement, but yet they'd have fillers like fly ash and other things, and it would act differently, it would work strangely, and sometimes the outcome and calcite and efflorescence and weird things were happening, and it just really put a damper on the trade. The thing I want to encourage you about is a product that we stand behind, which is the Saint-Astier Natural Hydraulic Lime. It's about a 175-year-old company. They have also stuck to tradition. The chemistry of the stone is unchanging, and what they produce is only natural hydraulic lime, NHL 2, 3.5, and 5. Now, we all enjoy Lindt chocolate or Ghirardelli or Asher's chocolate or even Godiva. They're all things that say, I think these companies support tradition and have been consistent in what they do. If you're as old as I am, you may remember when companies would come out with twice the chocolate for half the price. It'd be a pound of it, and kids would get excited. They'd take a bite of it and they'd say, Jesus, tastes like wax. So the companies that are now coming out of the woodwork that really are cement companies or they're paper manufacturers, and they all are trying to jump on the bandwagon to supply a material that is not what they've been committed to for hundreds of years, like Saint-Astier, is something to be concerned with. So my message, just stick with what you know works.